Okay guys, I have another unboxing. Today we're doing the FabFitFun box, and this is the summer box. So I'm really excited about this. I'm going to move this off of my desk so I can go through one thing at a time. I might have gotten some add-ons this time too. I really can't remember. I never remember what's in these things and what I chose. So hang in there with me and we'll go through. There's definitely add-ons in here. Okay, the first thing in here is a little coupon book, and it's for something called milk. It's almond milk. And if you guys remember, The Simpsons had an episode where in the school, Bart went up to get his lunch, and instead of having milk, they had milk. So, it has a couple recipes in here for chocolate banana bread, tomato bisque, cornbread, dirty soda, sweet cream cold brew, and a coupon on the back. So that's very nice. I don't personally drink almond milk. I like real cow milk. But if you are a fan of almond milk, maybe you want to try it out, or any other kind of nut milk. By the way, almonds don't have nipples. It's not real milk, so I'm glad they called it milk. Okay. First thing I'm going to pull out here are some candles. It looks like... Oh no, I know what this is. This isn't candles. It's wax beads. So these are wax beads that you can use to wax your face, your lips, your armpits, your... I have some old lady hairs now on my lips, so I either pluck them or I do wax my eyebrows and lips. So it came with a big old one. It's supposed to smell like peaches. Let's see. It doesn't smell like peaches. It just smells like nothing to me. Maybe when you heat it up, it smells like peaches, but right from smelling it like that, it does not smell like peaches. So there's a big one, and there's a little one of wax melt beads. I don't know if I ordered the wax melter itself, so we'll see about that. The next thing I'm pulling out here is, ooh, we gotta pull out some sticks for this. We got an Ellis Brooklyn 3-pack. So I love Ellis Brooklyn. I do feel like they do like some fruity scents really well, but they also make one of my favorite, okay, this opens different. One of my favorite winter perfumes, which is... Oh, I'll put the name here because I can't remember it. I never remember anything. And it has like a incense smell to it. It's very heavy. It's really good for winter. But yeah, I will put the name of my favorite Ellis Brooklyn winter scent up here so you can see what it is. And if you guys have tried it, let me know. So this slides out like... not easily, but I will get it to slide out. There we go. And it has 3 perfumes: salt, sunfruit, and sweet. So let's try the salt one first. You know, I still have a whole bunch of those. Ooh, these are roller balls. So let me roll it on the little stick. This doesn't smell like salt to me. Here's what the notes are here. It's a little strong. Let me see if it says anything about the notes here. I don't think it does. This is the Haiku pack. So wait, oh, it does have something here. So salt is Tahitian tiare, ambergris, the vegan version, sandalwood. Okay, I smell the sandalwood a little bit. it dries down much nicer than the initial notes. Okay, the next one is the Sunfruit one. I'm excited about this one. Let's rollerball it all on. And then the next one, so it's like a lime green lemon color. Yeah, it's green. Ooh, I can smell that one already. Very fruity, very summery. Yeah, that one's nice. It has, oh, it smells so good. Fresh fig, that's why I like it, because it's got fig in it. Jasmine and vanilla planetalia. Okay. Oh, that smells really good. That one so far is winning. Winning! And then the last one is Sweet, which has pear, orris, and marshmallow smells. So if you're a gourmand girly, this might be the one for you. I am not a gourmand girly, but I appreciate when they smell like marshmallow because that makes me hungry. Oh. It's much lighter than the other two. It does have a very nice sweetness behind it, but my favorite definitely is the Sunfruit one, which incidentally doesn't have sunfruit in it. It has fig. So these three are included in the, I think I got these with the add-ons, and my favorite one is Sunfruit. Okay, let's go back to the box and see what else is in here. Haiku box. Okay. Well, I have so many things this month. Okay, we got some socks, because I can always use more socks, and I love cute socks, and I thought these were adorable. They're like pastel colors. They have stripes and checks, a green one, a pink one, another green one, and a blue solid. So these are definitely in my wheelhouse. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a desiccant. There's a little bracelet here. This looks pretty. I don't remember if this is an add-on or not. I'm pretty sure it's an add-on. This is very summery. This is the bracelet. Let me hold it up closer so you guys can see. It's almost rainbowy. It goes from blue to green to yellow to orange to a red. It has an adjustable clasp. Love that. And it's from Sahara. Sahira. So it's from Sahira, and let's see if it says anything else. Welcome to Sahira Tribe. Crafted for everyday wear, our jewelry can be worn to swim, shower, and work out. That's nice. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be wearing this summer. It's very pretty. Okay, then we have, what do I want to grab next? What's this? Okay, I got some Super Goop Protectant Daily SPF Tint in the color 20C, so it's a cool tone. This is like a skin tint, but it has SPF in it. I love Super Goop, not Goop, Super Goop. They have great products, and I really enjoy them. I got some Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. This is from Murad. I enjoy Murad a lot, and they're expensive, but getting them through the FabFitFun is a big break on that. I needed some retinol, and I just happened to get in my other Trend Mood box a Bakuchiol thing, so I think I'm good on retinol for a while. There are a couple different coupons here, one from HelloFresh, and then there's some ads for different brands like Unhide, Eevee, Pup Box, Paya, and Curature. Okay, so we have those. Oh, then we have from the Korean brand Dr. Jart, Cicapair. Every once in a while my skin does get a little irritated and red. And this Cica is supposed to help with redness. Let me see if that did anything. Yes. I have used things from him in the past that are like masks that you put on and rub in and it hides the redness under your foundation. This one is a soothing repair serum, so if my skin gets irritated, I will be using this to try and make it good. Ooh, fruit bites! I'm going to eat one of these right now. Let's see. They're a little moist. There's strawberry and mango in here. I think they're strawberry mango together. They're like little twists. I don't remember ordering that, so it might just be like something that came along with everything. Okay, I got something from LYS. It's called Higher Standard Glow Blush Stick. The packaging is gorgeous. I love their packaging. And the color of this is amazing. Let's swatch it out so you guys can see. I swatched it and then I blurred it out. And that's what that looks like. Really pretty. I'm going to use this the next time I do a makeup look. So look for that coming in the next makeup look. I got an anti-chafe stick. So I like to wear, and it looks like a deodorant stick. It's from First Aid Beauty. And I do like to wear skirts, but sometimes if you walk a lot in skirts, you get some chafing, and it's a pain in the ass, and it hurts. So you can use Vaseline. Vaseline works really well for that. But I just got that anti-chafe stick because it was a good price and was really happy to try that out since it's First Aid Beauty. Look at this. It's a pretty brush. I like to scratch my back. I'm always itchy for some unknown reason. Like I said, my legs get really dry and itchy, but also my back can get quite itchy at times, and I bug my husband to scratch me. But I'm going to use this in the shower to like kind of exfoliate my back a little bit, so maybe it won't be as itchy. It's pretty. It's a pretty color. It's from Bliss. Oh, I got more socks. Why am I getting so many socks? Oh, these are like slippy socks too. They have the little pads on them. And they've got cute little let me show you, like ruffles at the top. Like I said, I love socks. I just like happy socks that make me happy, so yeah. The next thing in here, is from Kopari. And you might know them from their body creams. But this is a peach spray. It's called Malibu Peach. I'll try to remember. Oh, that smells like peach. To put the notes in the description here or right here so you can see them. And then we have two more items in here. The first one is a Danessa Myricks Color Fix Metallics. Ooh, we're going to have to like do some makeup with this and the LYS blush. This is what it looks like. It's a liquid eye cream. Here's what it looks like. And let's swatch that right on my hand. Oh, that's pretty. It's very shiny, chrome-like. And there you go. Love that. Love that for me. So I do like Danessa Myricks. I know some people find her palettes a little emollient and they kind of don't work out well. But yeah. Ooh, this is a nice thing. This is a pill container. I'm getting older and I have so many pills I need to take these days that I find these pill containers very helpful. So this is a 7-day pill container and it's got a mirror on the inside and it also is very pretty. So a couple of my pill containers are getting old and like falling apart, so this will be nice. This is like a soft touch and it feels really nice. So that's everything. Let me go through what I got one more time with you guys. The pill container, love it. The 2 packs of wax beads. The peach body spray. Ooh, I'm picking up everything here. The brush for my itchy back. 2 packs of socks for spring and summer. The anti-chafe stick. That's not from this. We have some retinol use serum. Some repair serum. The protective skin tint with SPF 30. 50. So that's a good one for every day. The beautiful rainbow bracelet. The Danessa Myricks paint gel. And I think that's it. My favorite thing, actually, believe it or not, is the back brush. I love it. It's so pretty. And then I like the pill container, too. Oh, and don't forget, we got some little gummies. These, I think, were just friggin' yummy. So, that's everything in my FabFitFun box. I hope you enjoyed that. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you liked the most. Or if you didn't like anything at all and you think it's a waste of money. I will talk to you all very soon. I've got some interesting non-makeup, non-beauty stuff coming up to show you what else I got while I was away. So hang on and come back tomorrow. Here's what the bracelet looks like on. And you can see some of my other hobbies and things if you're interested in that. Anyway, remember, drink your milk, be happy, not sad, and feel free to subscribe. I will talk to you all very soon. Bye!